Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tidy up of the family room. My kids are in bed, so this is the perfect chance for me to get some cleaning done. The family room isn't too messy, so it shouldn't take long to clean. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Now I'm going to wipe off the couches and fix and fluff up the pillows. A lot of the times my pillows are on the floor because my kids like to use them while they're watching TV.
This whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight.
Now I'm going to move the dog bed and start sweeping the floor so I'll be able to mop. Now I'm going to start mopping my floors. I know you guys can't really see it, but my floors really needed to be mopped.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough.
Now I'm going to use my Mrs. Myers and clean off my TV stand to get rid of all the little fingerprints.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside
To freshen up the room, I'm going to spray some room freshener on the curtains and the couches.
If I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some motivation to get anything you needed to done. Y'all have a wonderful day.